There are many animals with poison in the nature. Rattlesnakes shake their ladders on their tails in morning. They kill other prey with poison to defend themselves. Jumping spiders also have poison and push it into other victims. These animals inject their poison by biting. Some animals use poisonous stingers. Scorpions kill insects and other prey using their stingers. The reason why they use them is to protect themselves. Also, honeybees sting sharp, sharp stingers which are not deadly when they sense danger. In addition, lionfish use poisonous spines to prevent themselves from predators. Some animals have poison on their skin or other side. Iocarophilus protect their own bodies with poisonous bristles. Red-spotted newts warn that they have poison by showing bright colors. Poison arrow frogs also notify they have deadly poison with using bright colors. Poison with toad contain taste terrible. These kinds of animals try to defend themselves from attack by using poison like bites, stingers, and skin. Like these animals, I will try to live my life protecting myself with my own weapons.